All right, my friends, let's go thrifting. Let me take you through how I attacked this thrift store. Now, the first thing I always do is go look at these storage boxes because you always find great things. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with this gold box, but listen, for $7.49 and the zipper works, this baby's coming home with me. Always look for vases. You never know what you're going to find. And today, ooh, look at that guy for $7.99. He's got my name all over it. Okay, wine glasses, I always check out because I collect a certain wine glass and I did not find it today. But I did see these cute little jars for $2.99. Oh my goodness. Belts, never have enough of them. Love to thrift belts. This one was so cute, it came home. Now this little top, I thought it was really cute, but had a bit more Mimi vibes than me. So I don't know. Always check out the sweaters. And when you're doing that, look out the men's section as well. I love that brown dress. Not sure if it's coming home. Okay, bracelets. Oh my God, you cannot get me out of the vintage jewelry section these days. Totally love collecting bracelets, necklace, anything with charms on them is what I'm always looking for. You really want to check out handbags and purses. I was really all over that studded one today, but wasn't real leather, had to let it go. That red one had my name on it, but again, it wasn't real leather. That's today's thrift haul. Can't wait to show you everything I got.